Everyone is trying to go viral on Facebook, but almost nobody knows what to do after that. And that is exactly why they're leaving tons of money on the table. Because one viral post shouldn't pay you just one time, it should pay you twice and repeatedly over and over again. I've grown Facebook theme pages to hundreds of thousands of followers, and I get paid just to post content. But what truly changed everything was realizing that I was sitting on content that could make me even more money almost instantly. Because viral posts are actually data, it's telling you what people love. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact types of posts that go viral, how I find them, and how I turn those viral posts into second income streams in minutes. No guessing, no complicated funnels, just leveraging what is already working. So join me over on my laptop and let's get right into it.
So step one, we have to find a viral post to model. So we do not guess. All of the answers are already out here. This is where a lot of people mess up. They sit there thinking, what should I post? And they literally just try to guess. I don't do that. My students don't do that. We use tools like Post Planner that I have on my screen here, and we look for what's already proven to go viral. We look for high engagement, lots of shares, emotional reactions, because viral content always follows a pattern. And once you see the pattern, you can continually repeat it. So what I have on the screen here is an example of a cat page that has lots of viral content. If you see here, this post has 193,000 likes, 53,000 shares, 8,600 comments. So here's another one, 87,000 likes. This one, 80,000 likes. And so once you can see what people are liking, what they're engaging with, that is a clue, right? That is going to tell you what people are feeling. So we're going to take this post as an example. They asked me to define love, and I replied, a wet nose, 4 paws, and a gentle purr. So people are relating love to those aspects of a cat. And so we can recreate a post like this for our own cat page. We would just use a different photo. If you have your own cat, you could take a picture of your cat and rewrite something very similar over top of it with your own vibe, your own style. And then it will start getting those likes, comments, and shares on your cat page. And if you're in the Facebook monetization program, you're going to be getting paid from that post on Facebook, right? Facebook currently pays me 23 cents per 1,000 views. So you can imagine on a post that's getting 80,000 likes, you're going to be getting way more views than that. And you can do the math on 23 cents per 1,000 views on what Facebook could potentially pay you for just a post that simple. Now, most people will just stop right there and think, job done, Facebook paid me. But no, that is just part one. That's collecting data. That's the bare minimum of what you should be earning by posting on Facebook. So step 3, we're going to turn this into a product. This is where most people completely miss the opportunity, because just going viral and getting paid from Facebook is one thing, but turning it into a real business with your own products is a whole other game. So what I'm going to do now is take that same viral idea and run it through Kittl. If you don't know what Kittl is, this is a design platform that helps you literally look like an expert designer with zero design experience. So let's take that viral concept into a retro t-shirt design. And so we're going to just type a little bit of a description in here. So I just described an orange cat, and I wanted it to have the same text as we had on that viral image on Facebook. And then we're just going to click generate design. And that quickly, within seconds, it generated 2 different options for us here with the word wording that we wanted, along with some very cool retro imagery, which would look great on a t-shirt or some wall art. And this is something that people would actually pay for, which is so exciting. And then you don't have to just leave it here. You can remix the image, you can create a video, you can play around with all of these different elements to refine it, change the color scheme. So many fun different options to customize this to you. There's even mock-ups over here on the side, which is fantastic. It's going to instantly put it on your t-shirt or your wall art. And then we have our design ready to be printed and sold. So I clicked on this and then I clicked remove background and then I did a quick export. And now as you can see, this isn't just a post anymore. This is a real production ready design, and you could take that exact file, take it over to a print on demand supplier like Printify, put it on wall art, put it as a digital download or on a t-shirt like I have here. So there is no longer a need to hire designers because Kittl has this so dialed in to create designs in literally seconds with a simple prompt using their AI tool. So most people are just using AI to create content for social media. We are using it to create assets.
Now, think about this. That same post that made you money on Facebook is now a product, something people can buy, something that can keep paying you over and over again. Same content, two income streams. I've had posts where people comment things like, I need this on a t-shirt. I need this on my wall. That's not just engagement, right? That is a buying signal. And most people completely ignore it. So this is the shift. Viral equals attention. Attention equals demand. Demand equals opportunity. If people are sharing it, there's a very high chance that they'll buy it too. So if you want to try this out yourself, I'm going to link Kittl for you down below. And so what I would do is take one viral idea, run it through Kittl's AI, then refine it. That's the part that most people are skipping, and that's why they're leaving tons of money on the table. Most people are just trying to go viral for Facebook payouts, but smart creators, they're trying to get paid twice from the same post and use their post as data. And once you experience the results, you can't unsee it.